welcome and welcome back to my channel. I have not done a talking type of video in I don't know how long, but you guys liked my last vlog and I told you if you gave it a thumbs up, I would do a delayed but still girly Ariana Grande perfume review. If you haven't seen any of my videos on my channel before, hi, my name is Carrie. I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and I also have done quite a few Ariana Grande perfume and makeup reviews on my channel that I can link in the description box if you are curious. So today's video is going to be dedicated towards this fragrance right here. This is the most recent drop in 2025, Sephora only, Love Notes Vanilla. Plush vanilla to be exact. So if you're curious to see what this smells like and whether or not it is worth getting, then just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to give you the same rundown I give with all of these perfume reviews, which is giving you the information up front. This says on the bottle that it is vanilla macaron, cashmere woods, and amber crystal, and it is the same shape as the Love Notes perfume she released in 2024. This is my favorite fragrance for the fall time right now. I absolutely love pink woods, and right now Love Notes Plush Vanilla is only available at Sephora. As I'm filming this, it might change later. It retails for $80 for the regular size, and you can also get a travel size for $32. And this is described as having a warm and spicy fragrance family. Warm and sweet gourmand, so if you like things that are sweet, rich, you'll like this, especially if you like vanilla. And then the keynotes again are the ones that are on the bottle: vanilla macaron, cashmere woods, and amber crystals. Typically I film these perfume reviews without ever having smelled the perfume as I'm filming it, but I did smell this already, but I wanted to save the box to show you guys just in case I film this. So the box looks very similar to the perfume bottle itself. It's the like quintessential Ariana Grande lavender, and then around it, it has her Love Notes photos. And then on the Sephora app for the description, this is described as a vanilla perfume wrapped with creamy sandalwood, warm amber, airy orange blossom, sugared petals, and cashmere woods for a signature scent that lasts all day. The effect is a delicate, fluffy, playful vanilla that feels addictive. And then the design again on the bottle they call whimsical, vibrant lavender, featuring miniature floating hearts that bring the collection to life right on the bottle. So in terms of my actual review for this fragrance, this smells like what you would imagine a classic vanilla fragrance to smell like. It does not smell bad whatsoever. However, this is the first time that I am going to say I feel like this is an Ariana Grande fragrance you don't necessarily need. I know, it's crazy. I feel like all of her fragrances have the same underlying like light fluffy airness, but every one that I have tried and reviewed I've really liked because they're still unique and they still give you something new. And I just feel like this smells exactly like a lot of the other vanilla fragrances, like body sprays that I have. I personally have not noticed this lasting any longer than a body spray, and I don't know if that's just because it's on me, so I'm getting used to the scent all day, but I feel like her other Love Notes, the pink woods, last longer. It has a very unique scent unlike any of her other fragrances, and comparing it to this, I feel like it's a good fragrance. If you like vanilla and you don't have many vanilla fragrances, it's worth getting. But I think if you do have a lot of vanilla fragrances, which is most likely the case if you like vanilla, you might be able to pass on this one or at least get the mini size. I don't see myself using this nearly as much as her other fragrances, and I haven't, but I have mixed it a little bit with pink woods. I also think if you got her collection of fragrances back when she dropped these bad boys, I don't even remember what this is called. This was around like the Positions era. If you got this, you don't really need that. These do smell slightly different. Like I feel like this has a little bit more of like a classiness factor to the vanilla fragrance, and this really just does smell like a vanilla body spray. But I feel like, again, pick and choose. You don't need everything. So if I were to give this a numerical rating in terms of just it being a good, long-lasting, high-quality perfume, I'd probably give this a 7. And then if I were to give this a rating in terms of all the different Ariana Grande fragrances and whether or not you need it, it would be on the lower end of my list. Again, not because it's a bad perfume, but because it's not really quintessential. But it still smells good. It's still giving Glinda era. It's giving very much Glinda era. In comparison to some of the other fragrances, I personally feel like this isn't the strongest one. So yeah, that's my little fragrance review. I figured it was going to be shorter because I am not experiencing this for the first time. I've had this perfume for at least like a few weeks, if not a month by now, and I feel like I still haven't grabbed it as much as I have my other fragrances, especially once I first get them and I'm obsessed with them. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried this perfume in the comments. I'm curious to know if I'm in a boat alone, if you guys are like, she's crazy, this is the best vanilla scent I've ever smelled, or if you're feeling similarly. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, editing Carrie is here, and I'm filming my outro like this because I was planning on making this video into a longer vlog, but I ended up not vlogging the rest of the day because I was going through some esophageal pain. So bear with your girl. Have no fear, because as I am editing this video, I am vlogging today, so you guys will be getting another girly vlog on Monday. But thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of reviews, and let me know in the comments what other types of girly videos you want to see coming up. And with all that being said, I will see you in my next girly vlog. Bye, loves.